Hello everyone, it's Hanny. I'm dyeing ribbons today. I made from textile paint. I had these little jars with textile of fabric paint. It says textile, that's well, another language. In Dutch it's textiel, but in your language, in English, it's fabric. So this is fabric paint, and I'm well, all kinds of cups and jars with all kinds of colors. These are the primer colors, so I can mix everything. This is purple, and I have some kind of orange here, brown, oops, brown. But I have a little problem. I'm tearing some fabric, some silk, and I'm getting nuts. You see, it's I know it's Halloween, almost Halloween, but I'm getting nuts. How do you people, if you do the same, how do you manage? It's everywhere. And when I have, oh dear, now I have it loose, but I can't get it off my fingers. I'm making, sorry, it wet a bit, and I roll it. Oh, this time I think I succeed. Yes, I'm free, but I'm not ready yet. I have more ribbons to dye. It's not painting ribbons, it's dyeing ribbons. I'm not always speaking correct English. But, well, my question is, if you are familiar with this problem, do you have a solution for this? Because now I've done 2 ribbons with all those threads. It's static. And I'm trying it this way, but with, well, I have lots of ribbons of pieces of fabric I want to dye. See, I can't get it out of from my hands. Yes. Well, maybe that's the solution. I'm not sure, but if you have a solution too, please give me a solution in the comments. These are dry yet. I dyed these ribbons already. What I didn't tell you is that I am mixing these fabric paint, dye, how do we call that, in different colors, and I do it with plain water. And when I have a piece of ribbon like this, you see, well, I just will, well, which color will I do? Which color will I do? I have green, blue, yellow, maybe a yellow one. I put it there in there. I have to do it with one hand. Oops, that was a little bit in another color. And I put it in there, just like this. And then I'm getting it out. Then I have gloves on, so I'm leaving it now because I don't have any gloves now. Then I'm getting it out and I'm putting it in a little thing. And then I'm going outside. And there they are. Drying. So, and when they are dry, just making some room. When they are dry, you see, I roll them up like that, like so. To use in my journals. Like so, or just as a little thingy on the spine. And there are many ways I can use them. So, that was a short video, and I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye!